Welcome to Max class, children. Today we will learn addition of 3-digit numbers with regrouping of 1. Let us add 238 and 315. 238 plus 315. Let us add the numbers in the ones place. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. We will write 3 in the ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. Adding the numbers in the tens place, 1 plus 3 plus 1 gives us 5. Then we will go to hundreds place. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So the final answer is 553. 238 plus 315 is equal to 553. Next, how to add 346 and 129. 346 plus 129. Let us add the ones place numbers. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. We will write 5 in the ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. Now let us add the tens place numbers. 1 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 7. Then adding hundreds place number, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. The final answer is 475. 346 plus 129 is equal to 475. Next is addition of 3-digit numbers with regrouping of ones and tens. Let us add 338 and 485. 338 plus 485. Let us begin from the ones place. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. We will write 3 in the ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. Adding the numbers in the tens place, 1 plus 3 plus 8 is equal to 12. We will write 2 in the tens place and carry 1 to the hundreds place. Now let us add the hundreds place numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 8. So the final answer is 823. 338 plus 485 is equal to 823. Next question. Add 288 and 134. 288 plus 134. Adding the ones place numbers, 8 plus 4 gives us 12. We will write 2 in the ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 8 plus 3 is equal to 12. We will write 2 in the tens place and carry 1 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. 288 plus 134 is equal to 422. Next question. 232 people boarded a train at New Delhi station. 159 people boarded the train at Old Delhi station. How many people boarded the train in all? In the question, we saw how many people boarded the train in all. When you see that in all, it is to find out the total number of people who boarded the train. So let us begin with the statement. Number of people boarded the train at New Delhi station is equal to 232. Number of people boarded the train at Old Delhi station is equal to 159. Total number of people boarded the train is equal to 232 plus 159. When we add 232 and 159, we get 391. So the answer is equal to 391 people. Next question. Tanu had 356 stickers. She collected 288 more. How many stickers does she have now? In this question also, to get the final answer, we have to add. The statements are the following. Number of stickers Tanu had is equal to 356. Number of stickers she collected more is equal to 288. Tanu collected 288 more stickers. So we have to find out what is the total number of stickers with her now. Therefore, total number of stickers with her now is equal to 356 plus 288. When we add 356 and 288, we will get 644. Answer is equal to 644 stickers. Next, we are going to learn subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Let us subtract 232 from 456. We have to write the bigger number first. 457 minus 232. Always begin from the ones place. Ones place we see 7 and 2. Let us subtract 2 from 7. When we subtract 2 from 7, we will get the answer 5. That is written in the ones place. Now let us subtract the numbers in the tens place. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now let us subtract the numbers in the hundreds place. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So the final answer is 425. 457 minus 232 is equal to 225. Next question. Subtract 142 from 396. 396 minus 142. Let us begin from the ones place. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, which is written in the ones place. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So 5 is written in the tens place. Now let us subtract hundreds place numbers. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, the final answer is 254. 396 minus 142 is equal to 254. Now we will learn how to subtract 3-digit numbers with regrouping of 10. First question is subtract 156 from 373. 373 minus 156. In the ones place, the numbers are 3 and 6. And 3 is smaller than 6. We can't subtract a big number from a small number. So, we will borrow 110 from the tens place. And 110 is equal to 10 ones. 10 ones plus 3 ones is equal to 13 ones. That is how we will get 13 in the ones place. Now in the tens place, 7 tens minus 1 10 is equal to 6 tens. That is how there is 6 in the tens place. Now we can subtract 6 from 13. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. In the tens place, we see the numbers 6 and 5. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. In hundreds place, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Next question, subtract 427 from 752. 752 minus 427. In ones place, the numbers are 2 and 7. And 2 is smaller than 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 2. So we have to borrow 110 from the tens place. 110 means 10 ones. 10 ones plus 2 ones is equal to 12. That is how there is 12 in the ones place. In the tens place, 5 tens minus 1 10 is equal to 4 tens. That is how there is 4 in the tens place. Now let us subtract. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So the final answer is 325. 752 minus 427 is equal to 325. There are 458 students in a school. 235 students went for a picnic. How many students are left in the school? In this question, we are asked to find out how many students are left in the school. Left. When we see set left, it is to subtract. To get the final answer, we have to subtract 235 from 458. Number of students in the school is equal to 458. Number of students who went for picnic is equal to 235. Number of students left is equal to 458 minus 235. When we subtract 235 from 458, we will get 243. So the answer is equal to 243 students. 436 children visited a zoo on Saturday. 855 children visited it on Sunday. How many more children visited the zoo on Sunday? We have to find out how many more children visited the zoo on Sunday. For that, we have to find the difference between 336 and 855. That means we have to subtract 436 from 855. Number of children visited the zoo on Saturday is equal to 436. Number of children visited the zoo on Sunday is equal to 855. Number of more children visited the zoo on Sunday is equal to 855 minus 436. When we subtract 436 from 855, we will get the answer 419. Answer is equal to 419 children.